How to set up your profile in Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here tap on settings. So now we're in this settings interface. This is the place where you can customize and have different options. Here on the right top, you can see this edit button. Simply tap on this edit button. So this is the place where you can edit your name. Here you can enter your first and last name. After doing that, here on the profile section, there are many things like adding your bio and setting up your username. So you can customize it accordingly. You can add whatever you like and later verify it, and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.